Interest is like an escalator in the mall. With it, you glide forward. Against it, you're walking hard just to keep up. Borrow $100 today, pay back $120 later. That extra $20,
And the 20.
That's interest. Interest is literally rent on time. You're paying for the luxury of having future use money right now. Not all borrowing is equal. Take a home or car loan, for example. The bank says, if you don't pay, we take the asset. That's a secured loan. Less risk means lower interest. Whereas loans like credit card or buy now, pay later, there is no collateral, just your promise. Banks say more risk, so pay me higher interest. That's unsecured loan. Pro tip, that $200 pair of limited edition sneakers? If you only pay the minimum, interest grows, and the shoe becomes much more expensive. Now, is all interest bad? No. If you take a business loan to buy equipment that earns you $1,000 a month, and the loan only costs you $500 a month in interest, you're winning. That's called leverage. Smart borrowing that builds something. But what if you become the landlord?
When you save in a high-yield account, invest in bonds, or lend through credit markets, you become the one collecting the rent. Your money works, not just sits.
Simple interest is boring. It's a flat fee. If you leave those earnings invested, your interest earns interest. Slow at first, then suddenly it's doing real work, even while you sleep. That's called compound interest. Interest is a choice. It's a force. Friend or foe depends how you use it. So remember, borrow for growth, not impulse. Kill the interest you owe, and feed the interest you earn. See you in the next video.